Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a small haul. This small haul comes from both Dollar Tree, Walmart, and a quick yard sale or estate sale. So anyways, let me go ahead and start with Dollar Tree. Anyways, so I found these, you guys. Oh my goodness, these are so yummy. If you guys find these, I do recommend these. They do have the light blue one. That one's not, we liked it because it's candy, but we like this one. This one has way more flavoring. So suggested. I do suggest it. I found these, you guys. This is a basically a container, and basically it's a coffee dispenser. It includes a spoon, and it, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Anyways, so I do have some containers of these, and I think these were honestly more from oh my goodness, 99-cent stores. I believe those my lids are white. I could be totally wrong, and if I am wrong, I do apologize. But it has a spoon, and I did buy a few of them. I figured it doesn't necessarily just have to be coffee. It could be for sugar. It could be for pastas. It could be for anything else. So I did buy me a few. So it's an awesome find. You guys. Did I show you guys? I finally found the round tables. Yay! Oh my goodness. So I was so excited when I found them. I had to have some. I don't know if I told you guys on my last video. It's been a while. So yeah. Anyways, so I found more of these. Did get me more of these. I love these. These are amazing to have. Yeah, so anyways, yay. I found these bunnies. I had seen them previously and just never picked them up, and today I was like, you know what, this was the last one. I went ahead and picked it up because I am doing a Easter egg swap. Easter egg swap. Yeah, anyways, so yeah, so I got me this. I thought this was cute. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and continue. I found me these are cutting boards, bamboo cutting boards. I was browsing through Instagram, or was it YouTube, yesterday, and I saw a good use for these. And it's not what you think, you guys. It's totally something I would have never thought of, but awesome to have. Anyways, and that is it. I think that's it for my, yeah, for my oh, these from my Dollar Tree haul. I got me some more of these. I love having these for, of course, my 12 by 12s. Do like having these in case I need to put them in here, like a whole set or something of paper pad in there. I can just put them on there. So that is it, you guys, for my Dollar Tree haul. My Walmart. So I found these. I am in a fruity swap, so I was looking for something that was fruity-like, and I did find these right here. These are supposed to be beads. These are like, oh, they're clay. So yeah. Anyway, so I found some of these. Here's the other one that I found. These have both food and summer themed items. So I got me some of these. So let me go ahead and open them. I wish I could open them at Walmart and just browse and pick out what I want. But you know, you can't do that. You can't do that. Oh, so there's a banana. Oh my goodness. So yay. Nice. Okay, so I didn't need the strawberry. I wanted the grapes. I don't know why I have an obsession with grapes right now. A watermelon. So yay. So I'm happy. So this is what I got. And here you go. So I just have to put them in my container. Maybe put them on this container for now so I don't have them everywhere, because I will have them everywhere, you guys. They will like be everywhere. So there. I'm gonna put these in here. Put them in there for now so I know where they're at. Anyway, sorry. And then I got me, okay, so last week I was there, and I was looking for the half gallon, and then realized that half gallons for just regular Ziploc bags are no longer there. They do have the slider bags, and I don't like the sliders. I rather have a Ziploc that it's like this, not the little zipper. So these were $1, you guys. So I got me the last two that were there. So I did put both boxes in here, and it's 20 bags. So if you guys have a Walmart, you guys are looking for this, amazing. This one has a slider, but I have no option, so Oh well. And then today I was looking for again to see if they had the regular ones. They only have the freezer bags. These were at $2 and something. The slider with the little slider thing, it was like four something or something like that. So I of course I had to opt in getting this one. So yeah. Anyways, in case you guys are looking, these are half gallon. I yeah, I don't know if my Walmart just decided they're not selling it and they're gonna do away with not selling it, not having it on stock on in this area. But this is just basically a half gallon, and I love these. These are amazing. So I believe Lorraine Platero was the one that gifted me something, and she sent it into, or was it Carmen? Oh my goodness, it's one of you guys. Sorry, gifted me some stuff in it, and I loved it. And ever since then, I've been trying to buy it as much as I can when I see them. But now that I don't see them, yeah. Anyways, estate sale. So I went. Usually, every time I come home, I see a yard sale, estate sale, and I found these. You guys, these are so cute. Though this is a birthday thinking of you. These are just flowers and thank you, and these are just framelits. It seems like they got opened and never got used, or could have been used and cleaned. It does say $4, but I did not pay $4. Found this one. I thought this was cute. Oh my goodness. This one looks like it had been used, and this one is from, I don't know, I think I saw a store in Corona, you guys. A stamp in the hand company. I think it's, no. Anyways, Corona, California. So I don't know if the store still exists. Probably not. I did see one that said it was, 1982. Oh my goodness, this is old. So that one right there, and then I found me this. They did have some other ones, but I wasn't like too, didn't like them that much. Wasn't. I mean, I think it was already like they already went through what they had to go through, and um, just put out whatever they didn't want. So that one and this one. This one was from 93, 95. And like that. I like that. Got this one. So I did get all these for $5, which I was like, yeah, I'll take it. Anyway, so that is it, you guys, for my haul, my mini haul. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch. And we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.